Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back here. Imagine this phrase getting into your mind. Giving up is actually being selfish. Well, we have all grown up knowing that if someone is selfish, that means that person is selfish to other people. You get what I mean? Now you'd ask yourself, how then does my giving up make me selfish? Think about it. And I thought about the company that I'm actually working with right now. And I was like, wait a minute. If the gentleman that actually started this whole thing actually decided to give up at the primal years of this particular company, would I actually be here? Where would all these people, the 500 or 600 people that are employed to eat right now, where would they be earning a living from? That would actually be selfish of that gentleman if he had given up then. And I also thought about the people, the organizations, the businesses, the side hustles, the creators that actually bring me graphics gigs. You get what I mean? Yes, I'm an automotive engineer. I'm into engineering. But then on the side, I love doing graphics design. So where would that extra income actually be coming from if those people actually had given up at the starting of those particular brands, at the starting of those particular YouTube channels, at the starting of those particular businesses? It is very important. It is intricate. It actually makes a lot of sense when you think through it on a personal level. As I'm speaking, my main intention is to actually stir us up into a place of contemplating, rethinking, that before you actually make that bold decision to actually give up, that before you actually make that bold decision to actually let go, you think about the people that might actually be blessed because you did not give up. You think about the people that are actually behind you on that same journey that you're following, on that particular path that you're actually transcending. It is very much important that we do not give up. Simon speaking, the African way of things that actually do matter. Giving up was never part of the plan. Don't give up, my friend. I'll see us in the next one.